Are you struggling with outstanding tax debt? Let us help you to ease the burden. Outstanding debt needs to be paid immediately to prevent penalties and interest. The next option is to request to pay in installments. This can provide you with financial relief. Payment arrangements can be requested via SARS Mobi app and SARS e-filing. Be aware that interest will accrue on any unpaid debt. If you don't adhere to the conditions of the payment arrangement, the payment agreement will be terminated and normal collection proceedings will resume. Under specific conditions, it is possible to request a compromise that may include a partial reduction of a tax debt. Once you decided to request for a compromise, you will need to discuss your financial position openly with SARS. Please contact us at contact@sars.gov.za, as we will assist you with all relevant information. For example, guidance on the completion of the Collection Information Statement CIS 001 form. Kindly submit a letter explaining your reasons for applying for a compromise and the amount you are offering to pay. This letter should be addressed to the Debt Department and submitted via the Contact Us mailbox or at a SARS branch office. Ensure all documents supporting your application are available. Once received, SARS will review your case and inform you of the outcome. For more information, please visit our SARS TV channel on YouTube for our how-to videos, including how to pay SARS using SARS e-filing or the SARS Mobi app, to assist you making your tax payments experience a breeze. Paying taxes is both a legal obligation and a civic duty. Your future self will thank you for the decisions you make today. SARS, at your service.